Hi, welcome back. Disney Toy Lover here. Today we have a great tutorial of Barbie wearing this fabulous orange and white dress. So if you want to learn how, keep watching. Push together 2 clumps of Play-Doh and keep turning it around and around. We need to roll it out with a roller so we can make the top. Let's cut off those messy edges. Let's roll it out one more time so it's nice and flat. One more time again. Let's cut it. Slope the top right under her armpits and press hard on the back. Same for the other side. Let's trim off the bottom. We need some more orange Play-Doh for our skirt. And one more time, cut off those messy edges. Lay her close to the end of the skirt and then wrap her in it. Let's cut off the extra Play-Doh. Press the seam together. We're going to cut a triangle at the bottom of her skirt. Rub your knife over the seam so it's nice and smooth. Time to make that belt. Let's keep rolling it. Time for that gorgeous belt. Let's wrap it around and put a button on it. For the button, we just roll out a circle in our finger and push down and pop it right on the skirt. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you'll be sure to love Anna as a cheerleader from Frozen. Don't forget, subscribe. It's free.